Hello everybody and welcome to my video. Today I am going to be doing a unboxing of the SONY DSCHX50. I've just ordered this and this is what I'll be using for my new vlogging videos. So I thought I'd just make a quick unboxing of this for you and to basically show you what's inside and maybe some of the features it has. So it's actually a really nice camera, so I'll just show you around the box just now. I'm going to try and make this a quick unboxing. Here are the options. Okay. If you want to pause it, then pause it now. So you can read the stuff on the back. Not a lot on the side, a bunch of stickers. And then there's a picture in the front, but there's a sticker in front of it. But there's some settings there. Settings, some information for you. So it's a 20.4 megapixel CMOS sensor, 30 times optical zoom, and up to 60 times clear image zoom. A 3.0 extra fine LCD screen, and a full HD movie up to 1080p. Okay, so we'll get this open now for you. Okay, so put that off now. The box opens up like this. So we have a guarantee document and instruction manual. Okay. There's another section here. Okay, right. So what you get inside the box is a charger. Yep, so this is a battery charger, I believe. That's that here. Okay, and here is the battery for the camera. It is a 1240 milliamps. That should at least get 400 or 500 photos. Not quite sure how long it will last for video, but that's a further test, I think. So this is the camera, we'll get to that in a second. Box inside, and you get the USB cable, micro USB cable. So that's that, and obviously you get the plug. Plug. This is a UK plug, so yeah. And you get a little strap for your camera. I'm guessing this goes on it so you can hold on to it or something. So that's a little strap. And finally, for the main part, is the lovely camera. It feels really sturdy. Okay. That's the back of the camera. Me. There's buttons, stuff like that. It also has an input there for you can add extra like a flash or a viewfinder or something like that. That part there where my finger is where the flash pops up. These are all the dials and the settings, etc. There's the on-off button in the front of the camera. So that's what the front of the camera looks like. Oh, focus. There we go. So yeah, hopefully I'll be doing a further review on this camera, but that's a quick unboxing for you. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Please make sure you like the video if you liked it, dislike it if you liked it. And yeah, subscribe if you have the chance, and I'll see you all later. Thank you. Bye bye.